Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Bicana. Thanks for stopping by. Today I have a Zaful haul and I'm just gonna jump right into it. So the first thing I got was this top, and I honestly love it a lot. It's like a crop cami top, whatever, but it has like these rose patches on the front, and that's what drew me to it, and then the strings down the middle. And I think it's super duper cute. I'll link all the prices and everything I bought down in the description box. The next top that I got was this one, which is also really cute. It's like a bandeau top, but it has these strings and it really makes my upper body look really, really good. And it's velvet, but there's one thing I'm worried about, which I'm gonna try to figure out how to fix. Maybe I'll sew it down smaller. Like, I don't know why I did that, if you can see. Like, I think maybe my boob's just a little bit too heavy for this. This was like a size medium, I think. But I really like it. It's really cute. I love the color. And it looks nice on like nice dark golden skin. Just looks really beautiful. The next thing I got is this top that I was wearing off the shoulder, but I didn't really like the way it looks, so I wear it on my shoulders and it looks much cuter. And it just reminds me of being a kid. I love the scallops at the top and around the shoulder and at the bottom. This was a medium and it's so cute. I really love this top. It smells like new clothes and it's really, really, really soft. And yeah, I really like it. It's super cute. The next thing I got was this top that everybody has, and I literally wanted it so bad, and I wanted to get it in every color, but I opted for the white because I already have an off-the-shoulder crop top like this without the scallops in a black, so I just decided to get it in a white, and it really looks so good. I can't wear it with the bra because I just can't find a bra that looks good with me wearing it, so I wear it braless, and I really like it. It's kind of tight at the shoulders, but you know, it's cute. It's whatever. And it's not as scalloped as the bottom as it is at the top, but I still like it and it's still really cute. The next thing I got is this pants. You know, it's kind of long, but it has slits down the sides. And it comes with a belt as well. You know, gotta cinch that waist, gotta make that body look like an hourglass body. It's not that tight actually, and it doesn't really, you know, give me that much of like a bomb shape, but it does cinch my waist in and flares out a little bit. It looks really good. And I like the color. Definitely can't wait to wear it in the fall especially, but I'm gonna still wear it in the summer. Like, I did not buy this to put it down. I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna rock it. And I tie it in the back, even though it's meant to be like you know how it's like this, it's like tied in the front. I do that, but I have it in the back, so it's a bow hanging in the back, and I like that better. The last two pieces of items that I have are swimsuits, and I might or might not show the swimsuits. I'm not sure, but there's this one, and it's really hard to show. Now I get what people are talking about when they say it's super hard to show. But trust me, like, I think I might show it then because it looks really good on. My mom loves it. It just has this, like, thing in the back and it crisscrosses. And then the front looks like these little things are hanging down. And then, like, the cleavage area is right here where these little stringies are. And it ties with these little two end pieces. That was not very descriptive, but, you know, I tried. And then the bottom looks like this. Look like diapers, or like nappy, where you put on babies. They look like little nappy. But it looks really good. I noticed like a little piece coming out, a little piece of the elastic, but I don't mind. It still fits, and actually that's inside, so it looks really good. It makes my butt look nice. I most likely won't show the bottom bits, but I really like it, and I think I got this in a medium. And then the last swimsuit that I got, I really fell in love with because everybody on YouTube bought it, and I'm like, I have to have it. It's velvet, and I have to have it. Like, I'm literally obsessed with velvet, and I have more velvet stuff in my closet. I have to have it. I love velvet. But these are kind of small for me, and they're medium, and like I've seen YouTubers with bigger boobs wear it, but like, yo, like these, they don't really keep me all secured. I don't know, maybe I'll try it on, maybe I won't, because like it's kind of small, and but I'm gonna still wear it on the beach. I'm gonna still look raunchy, you know, I still got a cute. And I really like it. Like, it's dead a medium. It's a medium, and I always get medium in my swimsuits, and they always cover me up. Like, Zaful, what's up? And the bottom is nice. The bottom fits me great. The bottom is like a bikini, not a bikini, a Brazilian bikini bottom, and it makes my butt nice. Like, it sucks all the way in. So I'm just gonna have to wear it when I have more confidence, probably like in a year or two. Just kidding. Most likely though, probably in a year, probably next summer. I'm still wear this next summer. Like, it's still gonna be a trend, and it's still gonna look hot. I need to chill. I'm bugging, but I really like the way it looks, and the inside looks really nice too. It's really comfy, and it doesn't feel like I have a wedgie, so I respect that. And that's it for my Zaful haul. That was kind of quick, but I really want to keep my videos short and spicy, so I hope you liked it, and I hope you stay tuned for more. Like, comment, subscribe. Go check out my other videos. I have a thrift haul. I'll definitely try to buy more stuff when I start getting my paycheck from my job. You know, like, I have to save money too. But yeah, not for real though. Like, comment, subscribe, and check out the description for all the links to these outfits. I'm pretty sure they still have them because I only bought them like 3 weeks ago, so they should still be here. And I haven't worn them. Okay, I'm gonna shut up. I'm babbling.
It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah. Hey, I remember syrup sandwiches and crime allowances. Vanessa nigga with